Sayote is a type of squash that is commonly used in a lot of Filipino recipes. Sayote or chayote in Spanish is often grown in Filipino gardens because it's delicious and can feed a big family cheaply. Here is a recipe for a traditional Filipino dish called sautéed sayote with pork. And you'll need the following ingredients. Prepare the pork belly slices by adding 2 tablespoons of low-sodium soy sauce and ground black pepper. Mix well and let it marinate in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour. Then peel and cut your veggies. In a pan, heat the cooking oil and sauté onions until softened. Add the marinated pork slices and cook until browned. Add minced garlic, and then add the sayote. Sayote is mostly water, and adding extra water to this dish will make it mushy. But if you think it looks a little bit dry, then add a little bit of water. Season with salt and pepper. Reduce the heat and simmer for 12 to 15 minutes or until the sayote is tender and the pork is cooked through. Add the chopped spring onions. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt if needed. Serve hot with rice and enjoy! If you like this video, I think you are going to enjoy my other yummy videos. Click here to check it out. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.